Have you ever noticed how the super affiliates make it look so easy to win all the affiliate contests, pull down huge sales numbers, and pocket the big commission checks? And of course, have you ever wished you could do the same thing? Well, you're in luck, because in this video, I'm going to share with you some of the tips and tricks the super affiliates use that separate them from the average affiliates who are just scraping by. You may not want to hear all of this because some of it doesn't sound all that flashy and exciting, but never mind that, because the money you'll make when you put the stuff into play totally makes up for it. You'll love the feeling of being a powerful, respected, and successful affiliate in your niche. I guarantee it. Okay, so here's the first thing. The top affiliates engage their audiences and build relationships with them. I know, if you've watched some of our other videos, then you've heard me say this before, but I'm saying it again because it's so important. It may just be the number one key that separates the super affiliates from the super broke affiliates. Think about it for a moment and you'll see it's true. If some complete stranger walks up to you on the street and asks you for 20 bucks, it's pretty unlikely you're going to just hand the money over. Now imagine a good friend asks for 20 bucks. What you going to do? Right, you're going to hand over the 20 bucks without question. That's because you know, like, and trust your friend. I'm not saying you need to become best buddies with all of your subscribers and readers, but you do need to build that familiarity, liking, and trust. And you do that by not holding back. Give your readers solid, actionable tips that are really going to help them. This builds liking and trust. Deliver the information in a friendly, fun, and conversational style. This is also going to give you an edge in the liking department. And you're going to be more likable if you treat your subscribers and readers like human beings by empathizing with their problems and helping them out, rather than just treating them like cash machines who exist only to pay your grocery bill. You know? The second way to build trust is by only recommending good products. Don't recommend snake oil just because you think you can make a fast buck on it. That fast buck you make today is going to create a loss of hundreds, even thousands of dollars per customer, because once you've lost their trust, then you've lost their future business too. All right, then you need to build familiarity. This is easy. You just need to keep yourself in front of your audience. Blog regularly, send newsletters at least weekly, if not more often. Brand yourself, create top-of-mind awareness, and transform yourself into the go-to person for your niche's problems. So bottom line, the super affiliates know how important it is for people to know, like, and trust them, which is why they spend so much time building good relationships with their prospects. Another thing many of the top affiliates do to sell more products is that they add value to the affiliate offers. This means they offer free bonus products to anyone who buys through their links. If a prospect likes two affiliates and one of them offers a bonus product, which affiliate do you think the prospect will buy from? Right, with all else being equal, smart customers want the most bang for their buck, so they're going to buy from the affiliate who's offering them some extra swag. You can offer free ebooks, videos, access to membership sites, mind maps, worksheets, spreadsheets, infographics, software, whatever. Okay, to see an example of how two top affiliates boost their conversion rates by offering bonuses to buyers, go ahead and check out bestbonusblog.com. The third thing the top affiliates do to boost their conversion rates is they pre-sell their offers. In other words, they get prospects in a buying mood before they drop their affiliate link. They do this by offering product reviews and even direct promotions that tout the benefits of the product. This tactic boosts your conversion rate no matter what kind of sales letter is behind your affiliate link. But you'll find it especially helpful if the sales letter totally stinks. Okay? Some people create great products, but their sales copy is, well, it's lame to say the least. You can overcome this by pre-selling your prospects so they're ready to hit the order button as soon as they land on the sales page. Now, before I let you go, let me share with you a little tool the super affiliates use. It's called Attention Monkey. Attention Monkey is a web-based app, and it almost magically lets you put attention or notification bars on other people's websites. That even means you can overlay a notification bar on a vendor's sales page. Okay, I can hardly even tell you how powerful that is. The notification bar can remind your prospects of your bonus product, or you can use it to emphasize the product's benefits, and you can provide a strong call to action. This one tool is going to give you an unfair advantage over the other affiliates who are struggling to close sales. You may even feel a little bit like you're kind of cheating, but it's a totally legal way and a totally legit way to start pocketing bigger commission checks. So be sure to have a look at the resource section on this website for more information about Attention Monkey. I think you're really going to love this tool because it's a super slick way to close more sales. All right. Well, that's it for this video. Go ahead and take a short break, and we'll see you in the next one.